Before we get started, there's a special discount link for Auto Ecom Empire platform in the description of this video. Take action. Create your own online business and start banking up to $10,211.05 per week. What is Auto Ecom Empire? Auto Ecom Empire is an efficient sales platform that can help individuals generate an excellent source of passive income direct from their e-commerce store. Fortunately, with the Auto Ecom Empire, users don't have to register for Shopify or buy a personalized business domain. Therefore, selling products online through the Auto Ecom Empire is faster, scalable, and more accessible. This platform gives customers an opportunity to browse through a full e-commerce store. More importantly, users get automated assistance to set up an e-commerce store after providing their email information. Pros of using Auto Ecom Empire. Setting up an online store is now easier than ever before. Even without the relevant experience needed to open an e-commerce store, the Auto Ecom Empire is automated and hence allows ease of use. Create a compelling brand online. This automated sales platform will come in handy in creating a powerful online presence for an e-commerce store. What's more, it features several built-in themes, font, imagery, and colors. Utilizing this platform doesn't require any design skills whatsoever. Simply customize the interface to suit the needs of your brand. Receive payments from customers securely and quickly. This comprehensive sales platform also accepts fast payment options. That means customers can purchase products from the e-commerce site using credit cards. It also supports mobile access, and all installations in the platform are fully responsive. This offers customers an enjoyable experience as they peruse the e-commerce store. Designed for upward growth, the platform also offers insightful sales data to help store owners maximize their profits. It comes with a comprehensive dashboard, and this gives users a detailed and holistic view of the business. That way, it is easier to ensure all products in the e-commerce store are well arranged for easy access. The Auto Ecom Empire platform makes marketing simple. With the Auto Ecom Empire platform, users enjoy automated marketing as well. Additionally, the platform offers you invaluable educational material to ensure the store remains competitive. Lets business owners focus on other areas of improving their business, while the Auto Ecom Empire handles all the nitty-gritty of the business. What makes the Auto Ecom Sales Empire platform efficient? Unlike most e-commerce stores, Auto Ecom Empire is fully automated, and this makes it invaluable for multi-purpose use. And the best thing is that the setup is effortless and straightforward. By simply providing an email address and choosing a store name, even beginners can set up a running e-commerce site. This multi-purpose sales platform is affordable for small businesses looking to keep their operational costs low. Therefore, it's an attractive option for those with minimal marketing experience. Also, it offers many useful template structures designs that you can choose from, and that eliminates the need to get professional assistance to arrange the store. With the Auto Ecom Empire, it is easy to build and launch an online store within a few minutes. Finally, the Auto Ecom Empire has a broad scale and will help to grow an e-commerce store regardless of the number of products on offer, as well as sale volume. Conclusion. Auto Ecom Empire is genuinely a reasonable solution to newbies who are looking to make a passive income from an e-commerce store. This automated sales platform is easy to set up and doesn't require any expertise. Auto Ecom Empire platform. Choose your plan now, and improve your financial life. Just click on the link below.